Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to do a guesstimate on finding out the number of TVs sold in India in a year. We are already given the geography as well as the time frame. So we can go ahead, and also for the assumption that I am taking here is that these are for the household purposes. So moving on to the guesstimate, I'll start with population of India, which is 1400 million. I'm going to divide this into two, urban population and rural population, 30% for 70% split. Further, I'm going to take the factor of income category. So high income group, mid income group, low income group for urban population split into 10, 40 and 50% respectively. And similarly for rural population, I'm also taking the similar factor. Income category, high income, mid income, low income category. Now I'm going to ignore the mid income category and low income category in rural area. Why? Because TV is kind of a luxury and not everyone is gonna be able to afford it. Moving on, I'm gonna find the average number of people in a household to get the number of households in each of these categories, and for that, I have assumed that average number of people in a household for high income category is 4, for mid income category is 5 and low income category is 6 under urban areas. For rural category, I have assumed that in high income category, 5 people per household as an average. So, to calculate the number of households, I am going to divide the population of each of these categories with the average number of people in household for each of these categories. Thereby, I'll get 10 million households in high income category for urban areas. Similarly, 30 million and 35 million for the remaining categories of urban areas, and approximately 20 million households in high income category in rural areas. Now, I'm going to find the TV penetration. So I have assumed that under high income category, mid income category, the penetration would be 100%, whereas in low income category also it would be 100%, but in rural area, high income category households, the penetration would be 50%. And the number of TVs in each of these households would be 1.8, 1.51 for high income household, mid income household, and low income households respectively. So now remember, we have to find the number of TVs sold in India in a year, and for that we have to first find out the number of TVs in India in a year, the current state. So moving on, I'll now find the number of TVs in household basis my current assumptions above. So 10 million into 1.8, and obviously since 100% penetration, I'll multiply it by 1, which will give me 18 million TVs in high income category households. Similarly, 45 million TVs in mid income category household and 35 million TVs in low income category household for urban areas. Whereas in rural area, the high income category households would be having 20 into 1 into 0.5, which gives me 10 million TVs in those households. So I'll add this up and I'll get 108 million TVs in India in a year for all of these household categories. I'll move forward, and now we have to find out the number of TVs sold in India in a year. 108 million are the number of TVs that are currently there in India. Now we need to find the number of TVs sold in India in a year. For that, I have to look at two things. One, number of TVs that are bought as a replacement of the old machines, and second, the TVs bought due to industry growth. I'll start with the first one. So, to find the number of TVs replaced, I need to know the lifetime of a TV. So, I have assumed it to be 10 years. So, I'll divide 108 million by 10 to get the number of TVs that are replaced. This gives me 108 by 10. So, this gives me 10.8 million TVs bought due to replacement. Now, TV bought due to growth, I need to know the growth. So, I'll take an assumption of 5%. If you know the actual industry growth, you can take that. I have taken 5% for the ease of calculation. Now, 108 million into 5 gives me 5.4 million. Now, when I'll add these two up, I'll get the number of TVs sold in India in a year. This gives me 16 million TVs sold in India in a year. I hope this helped. You can use the same method to find out the number of washing machines sold in India in a year, number of washing machines sold in other places in a year. So you just need to know their population, the time frame, and obviously whether a certain set of population would be able to afford it or not. You can use it for number of ACs, number of TV, number of cars, number of washing machines, and so on. Thanks for watching.